Hey guys, and welcome back. So right here we have this Tense muscle massager. This is the third generation that has 16 modes. Tense machine for all your aches and pains. Alright, so right here we have the Auvon Tens massager. This is the family pack, which means you get a lot more of the pads to put on your back. So let's go ahead and dive inside this box. So this is compact and lightweight, packing enough power through the use of low-frequency electrical muscle stimulation. So we'll deliver muscle stimulation to all your sore muscles. So let's just go ahead and put this aside. And first off, we get the little pad holder. This little plastic thing here, it holds up your pads. You get a carry-in little bag to drawstring. Just tie it in here to put it when you're on your way out. Nice little sack. So, as I said before, this is the family unit. So the family unit gives you a lot more pads. So you've got these 2x4s. Or actually, these are the 2x2s. And at the bottom, you'll have the connecting wires. So here are your connecting wires to connect to the pads. This is a dual machine, so it can run 2 at the time. So you just put these little metal clisps in here. Just plug it in there like that, and it will deliver some high frequency electrical stimulation to your muscles. And then you have your power charger. That's got a USB port at the bottom. So now you got a wall charger, so you just plug in your power port right into there, your USB, and this just goes into a standard 110 outlet. And then next off in here, you do get your user manual, which basically tells you how to use this. So here's the user manual. And it does have you some warnings. It says never apply to these areas of the pad, so your head, your mouth, or any area next to the face or the neck. And then it goes on, tells you the illustrations and what the modes are and how you turn it on and what each button stands for. And then back here just gives you the modes, like you lifting, your pinching, manipulation, vibrations, Thai massage, shiatsu. So it tells you all the different massages. So now let's dive into the machine itself. So it's got a nice little gray color. It's lightweight. You've got your menu, your time, your plus and minus. And at the bottom you have your mode A and mode B, or mode 1 and 2. So there's your modes. And at the top you have your power button, and you have your USB port. So there's your power on and off. So this does pack enough power to thoroughly use on low frequency, which fits in your briefcase, your purse, your pants. So if you're suffering from any aches and pains on your back or your legs, this is a great device to put on your muscles. It's like the ones when you go to a physical therapy, they use these. These ones have different modes. So every time you click on mode, it will switch to each mode, and then the middle button. So each one of these modes have 4 little modes inside of them. So you've got your timer here at the top. It goes from 10 minutes all the way up to 60 minutes. There's your battery light indicator. So you can see this right here. This mode looks like a kneading. Then you're pinching, you're cupping, your hand. Then you got your massages. And this is your intensity at the bottom. So you can go all the way up to the highest setting or all the way to the lowest. And like I said, each one of these modes have 4 little modes inside of them. So that's 3, that's 4. So then you click on the next one. So we'll go through the 4th again. You click on mode again, and then it'll take you to the next one, and it has 4 inside of each one of those. And then you got cupping, 4 different types of cupping. Same thing with shiatsu. You got 4 different modes for shiatsu. You got 4 different modes for your feet, and you can just turn it off here like that. The best thing I like about this, that it does have 16 choices for pain relief. So you have all the shiatsu menus, you have the kneading, you have the cupping. And the great thing about this is because this is the family pack, you get a lot of extra little pads to put on your back, and they can be used up to 45 times before they start wearing down. I definitely love this machine. It helps with my back pain and my leg pain.